Shalom, it's your boy Lando. You know what it is. Today's a big day. Today's a big day. I rebuke in the name of Yahshua. I rebuke any bad energy. I rebuke any bad talking. Hey, we're not gonna live for that. We're not gonna go for that. But look, it's a beautiful day. All right. This the day we're gonna go celebrate my grandmother's life. Yeah, we're gonna celebrate today. We ain't gonna, well, I ain't gonna say we ain't gonna cry, but we might cry. It's just cause we're gonna miss them. We understand. We overstand that God says we have a certain day when we gonna have to transition to the other life. Not the other life. Hold on, I don't even know if that sound right. Let's get that right, Lando. Let's get that right. We just gonna transition, man. We just gonna transition. You know, we're headed there right now. By doing motorcade, I'm not sure if you know what that is, but you'll see it when we do it. I mean, it's your boy Lando, and I am the Mando. All right, guys. We have an issue. We have an issue. We're supposed to be meeting the motorcade at 10 o'clock. It's 9:41, and the motorcade passes. It wasn't nobody. I don't even know how to pop this thing. Hey, hood, that's the hood. Never mind. Yes, guys, as I was saying, we see the hearse, the old everything just drove past. So therefore, we drove all the way down here for nothing. No motorcade right now, so now we gotta go back up on the hill. Yeah. We deep. We deep now. All right, guys. Oh, there she go. There she go. Hey, we make them turn around, guys. We had to make them turn around. Oh, yeah. Oh, my window is down. Yeah. George, we're there. Oh, yeah, we doing it like that, though. There she go. Y'all ready? What we doing? Man, I forgot to vlog this. Okay, I'm parking. Parking again. Out in a belt. Yes, joints. One blood. I'm naturally cool. I don't get hot.
All right, y'all. As you can see, our church is a real old school church in Jamaica. Yeah, it's no AC, and boy, it is hot.
And have it as a joke and live after it because, you know, he just try to produce something to make the man rich.
All right, y'all. I'm not sure what's going on right here. That's my dad up there, by the way. I don't even know what he's doing up there. He's just up there. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I'm sorry.
go to abroad. I found out that I was pregnant, but I did not tell my grandmother. I know Denise was the witness for that. So I looking over in the city, where my Savior there preparing, give me praise, so I can. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Oh, rise up this morning, wake up this morning, follow the rising sun. 3 little birds sitting by my doorstep, singing sweet song of melody pure and true. This is my message to you. Baby, don't this is my message to you. About a man, every little thing is gonna be alright. Oh, turn with Jesus, he's not hiding that do you know?
Like we are reminded, is short. And we are told that there are only pilgrims here.
Alright, people, we getting dropped off. We're waiting on the hearse to come with the coffin, and we're gonna march it around. We're gonna lift that coffin up ourselves. We're gonna march. It's about 1.5 miles. We're gonna march the coffin about 1.5 miles. Yeah. Park it on a nice spot, you know. Not in a lane. But yeah, we coming like that.
I run in my road, pan down in the road. I just run pan down in the road. I just some million for me. Follow your path. Then footstep. In the next footstep. In taking footstep. In taking footstep. Look at man take for that. I want to me walk, man. I want you to run. Get yourself together. All right, I will come back. When you come back again, one time we were in Mr. Van Der Rohe. Gone. He didn't get no people. Don't deny you know. Yeah, I know about it. Yeah, but if you worry about money.
Ah, look thirsty, man.
right, y'all. At this point, we were super tired. We underestimated the walk, so we we was taking a break, y'all. Hey, Granny deserve it, man. She's a queen. We gonna march her all the way. We ain't gonna stop. Big up, Granny. All right, y'all. Before y'all get on y'all weird stuff, this ain't nothing crazy. Yeah, we marching her on I guess we call it veranda, front porch, but this is what Granny wanted anyway. She wanted to be marched on the veranda, march around the property. But we bury her on the property anyway, so there ain't nothing weird. Because I know how y'all get. Well, what is they doing? What kind of this? Ain't no ritual, no nothing. It's just what she wanted, so we doing it. That's why she sit right there. She usually sit right there. Shout out to Golden Melody Films for the footage, man. He definitely was active. I go check out Golden Melody Films on YouTube. They on here.
Just see somebody see better. Yes, sir.
Now move to 10. Move to 10 right now. Move to 10. Move to 10.
One part.
Oh my God, be careful.
Be careful.
Me. Oh my God. Look at that.
See ya.
Yes. Yes. Final place. Yes, Granny. Don't report back to my camp for. Who? Boy. All right, boy. You got the game too. Come first, come straight.
Okay, giving her early sash,
Talk to the people, Granny.
her early crown.
What'd you say, 91?
Yes.
It's a blessing to be here. Oh my gosh. You got anything to say to the world? Say something to them.
Tell them that you're happy you are here today. Granny, tell the people you're happy you're here today.
We happy. Then I said, I'm happy.
All right.
I can't get this right. You ain't bring no clothes?
Signature like you.
New beer.